WN33.
This is the $1,700 communications code.
That's unbelievable. Marcus Peters comes up with the fumble recovery. Was this Aguilar? Whoever it was, deep crossing route over the...
No! Okie dokie, I was not ready. Yeah, that was a big old fail.
There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Repeating once again, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This concludes this test.
It's 10:43. Look at this, 10:43. Not even 11 a.m. And the test is gonna expire before 11 a.m. What? What was that? Bro, what? What is this? Bro. What? Excuse me? Bro.
Thunderstorm watch number 714, effective until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana, Bossier and Caddo, and the following counties in Texas: Cass, Harrison, and Marion. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 714. Effective and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio in Louisiana, Bossier and Caddo, and the following counties in Texas: Cass, Harrison, and Marion. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 714 has been issued from 11:20 a.m. Central Standard Time until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, Bossier and Caddo, and the following counties in Texas: Cass, Harrison, and Marion.
What we're doing.
Bro, what? 7:15? Oh, ain't no way.
This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: DeSoto and Sabine.
Okay,
and
no, what's that?
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions.
Now they're feeling a company.
Including tornadoes, hail, and damaging winds in DeSoto and Sabine, and Panola, Texas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Great.
Television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather.
Okay, they're not going.
Tax.
Getting the ball.
Number 715 has been issued. Weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Or even Internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 715 has been issued at 11:35 a.m. Central Standard Time until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana, DeSoto and Sabine, and Panola, Texas.
Not ready for that. Whoa.
Cola, Pepsi, or
Louisiana. Shelby County, Eastern Texas. Southeastern Panola County. Central Standard Time. At 1:26 p.m. Central Standard Time.
And then they wonder why it's good.
3 miles east of Texas. Moving north at 60 miles from Texas. Shelby County in eastern Texas. Southeastern Panola County.
Wait, with
Time. PM Central Standard Time. At PM Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorm was located
24 hours.
hazard 60 mile hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact
An innovation.
damage to vehicle. Locations intact. Center, Logan, Longstreet, Stanley, Paxton, James. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday for portions of northwest Louisiana and northeast Texas.
Wow. That was out of nowhere. Headed straight for Shreveport too. Wow.
Following parishes in Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, west central Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northeastern Sabine County in eastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Millam, or 33 miles southeast of Center, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Millam, Manny, Zowali, Allen, Pleasant Hill, Noble, Rogaline, Belmont, Marthaville, Ajax, and Hagewood. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for portions of northwest Louisiana and northeast Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: DeSoto, Natchitoches, and Sabine, Texas. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for West Central Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southwest of Zwolle, or 33 miles south of Mansfield, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Zwolle, Pleasant Hill, Robeline, Belmont, and Marthaville. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall is hiding this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are difficult to observe at night. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Natchitoches and Sabine. The National Weather Service.
Oh yeah. Not playing no more, huh? It's gonna be KDQ.
Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles southeast of Greenville, or 22 miles west of Jonesboro, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located.
Tire service of Ruston.
Moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. 13 miles southeast of Greenville, or 22 miles west of Jonesboro.
Down at the bottom of that hill, sitting in a little creek bed, which had some water in it.
Vehicles will occur. Substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall is holding this tornado. Bryce, remember windows in low towers. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows.
In my arms started to bleed.
Heavy rainfall is hiding this tornado.
They might relay through K94 fire cells.
This is the strangest thing. I locked it.
Louisiana, Greenville, Jackson, and Lincoln.
They sound the exact same. They're laying through.
The National Weather Service.
Real quick. Wow.
Baltimore
That is sad.
under
That is sad.
Ville Parish, northwestern Louisiana, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles southeast of Ringgold, or 22 miles west of Jonesboro, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Ruston, Lucky, Castor, Bienville, Bryce Ellen, Bryce, Liberty Hill, and Mount Olive. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall is hiding this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Jackson, and Lincoln.
Okay, well, not expecting that. What's happening? At least it go
off. Western Wind Parish, Central Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northeastern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from 13 miles Parish in northwestern Louisiana, or along the line from 13 Parish in northwestern Wind Parish, Central Natchitoches. Western Louisiana, southeastern Red River Parish, and northwestern Louisiana. Until 8. At 7:27 p.m. Central Standard Time. 6 miles southwest of Natchitoches, moving northeast at 40. Lighting entries. Locations impacted. Of a well-built structure. Damaging wind. Tornadoes can develop. Your thunderstorms. Tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday for portions of north central and northwest Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes. Jackson Parish, Lincoln Parish, West Central Washita Parish, Northwestern Lee Parish, Southeastern Bienville Parish, and Northwestern Louisiana, Northeastern Natchitoches Parish.
You can literally start earning cash back today.
Thunderstorms were located along a line from 6 miles
What a gas.
12 miles northeast of Perry, right along the line from 6 miles southwest of Wayne to 20 miles west of Whitefield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. 30 p.m. Central, 60 miles per hour, wind gusts from Small Hill.
Standard time.
He knew he wasn't going to be okay.
Hazard. Hail. Source. Radar indicated. Small hail. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect. Celine. Quickman. You're off. Rustin. Grambling. Jonesboro.
Bro, what y'all doing?
Away from windows. These storms are capable. Tornadoes can develop quickly from
Fallen parishes in Louisiana, Edenville.
Central Standard Time for the following time Friday for portions of North Central and Northwest Louisiana. Your thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana.
New tradition sales event right now at Oregon.
Oh, I think that. I think it is time for me to. I turned this radio off before I left today. Okay, so hopefully it'll catch a warning with that. All right, well, these are coming out of absolutely nowhere. I can't even relax for 2 minutes now. I only missed a few alerts when I was out. Nice.
around 8:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Union Hill, Bakersfield, Woodward, and Forest Park. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 68 and 69. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Those who stay a room on the lowest floor of a city building. Avoid windows. Outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh snap, it's gonna be a double header on WXK78. I can't pick them up though.
Central Standard Time. 9:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 76 and 91. Take cover now. Interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.